Okay, so you put your name on the top, right? Yep, so all we're going to be doing is filling in at the bottom, but not yet. We're going to do some practice work using our 100 chart and using our tens and our ones. So what I want us to start with is using our tens and our ones. So get out your tens, get out your ones. The first number that I want you to make is 32. So on your desk, make 32 with your tens and your ones. So we're going to do 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. Show me on your desk with your tens and your ones, 32. Now, the second part is going to be to add 30. So we're going to put 30 more up there. Well, when I make 30, I only need my tens. 10, 20, 30. Right? So show me on your desk. 10 more. 10, 20, 30. Now, this plus sign, this adding sign, means that we are joining those two groups together. When we do that, we're going to count the tens first, then the ones. So on your desk, touch and count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now count your ones. 61, 62. So when we put those two groups together, 32 plus 30, what do we get? 62. Good. Luca, do you need to go back and do it again? Then let's do it nicely the first time. Now, let's try it on our 100 chart. So everybody look at your 100 chart and find 32. Put your finger on it. Put your finger on it on your 100 chart. When we add 30, we know 30 is 3 tens. When we do 10, we go down on the 100 chart. So I could count 10 times like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I could do 10 3 times, but it would be easier for me to do 3 10 jumps. So I would do 10, 20, 30, or 3 tens. 1, 2, 3. When I jump down 3 times, you do it on your 100 chart. Ready? Finger on 32, and let's go down. 10, 20, 30. What did I land on? And what did you land on? 62. Same thing, right?
Yeah.
Good. On your paper for number 1, I want you to write 32 plus 30 equals 62. We just did that problem 2 different ways. Zach, write it on your paper. 32 plus 30 equals 62. If you already have it, check it and make sure you're in the right spot. It's up on the board if you need help, plus we did it on your desk. Okay, clear your cubes. Clear your desk. Get in space to do the next problem. The next one we're going to start off with is 47. So show me with your tens and your ones. How do we make 47? You do it.
Oh, that's easy.
10, 20, 30, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47. So show me 47 on your desk. Use your 10s and your 1s. Show me 47. Good job raising a hand, Carter. Yes. Yes. Put your mask up, please. All right, 47. The next group we are making is 20. 47 plus 20. So when we use 20, we just need 10s. 10, 20. Show me on your desk. Now, when we join these two groups together, we're going to count the 10s first, then the 1s. Touch and count with me what you have on your desk, and I'll do it up here on the board. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now count the 1s. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67. That would be our answer when we join those two groups. Before we write it down, go on your 100 chart. Let's check and make sure we can do it the right way. Everybody put your finger on 47 on your 100 chart. That's the number we're starting with. Now, think to yourself, 20. Well, can I jump up 20 times? I can. It's going to take me a little while though, and you know, I might get tired or I might make a mistake. So I can also count by 10s by going down on the 100 chart. So I know I can say 1 10, 2 10s, or I could do 10, 20. Do it on your 100 chart. Put your finger on 47, and let's jump down. Ready? 10, 20. What did you land on?
67.
Is it the same as what we did with our cubes?
Yes.
Yes. So now we can write it down on our papers for number 2. 47 plus 20 equals 67. We know how to do it with our 10s and 1s, and we know how to do it on the 100 chart. Go ahead on number 2 and copy it down if you didn't do it already. If you did, check your work. Okay, clear your 10s and 1s off your desk. Make room for our next problem. We ready? I want you to start with, yes, Ryan? Yes, I want you to start with 25. So show me what 25 looks like with 10s and 1s. Ready? 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Show me 25. Now, we want to do another group of 60. Show me what 60 looks like. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Show me on your desk 60 10s. Not 60 10s, 6 10s, which makes 60. Now, when we add these two groups together, we're going to count the 10s first, then the 1s. Let's see what we get. You touch and count. I'm going to do it on the board. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Now count the 1s. 81, 82, 83, 84, 85. When we join 25 plus 60, we can get 85. Before you write it down, let's try it on our 100 chart. 25, find it on your 100 chart and put your finger on it.
25.
Yep. Now 60 is 6 tenths. So I can do 60 jumps across the 100 chart, or I can just jump down 6 times. I can count by 10 each time. Do it with me, ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. What did you land on?
85.
85, same thing. So now we can write it down on our paper. 25 plus 60 equals 85. For number 3, 25 plus 60 equals 85. Check your work, make sure you have it, and then clear your cues. Okay, let's do one more together. Ready? 51. Show me what 51 looks like with your 10s and your 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, and then a 1. There's 51.
I got 51 out of 1. This is maybe going to be 151 out of 1.
Show me 51 with your 10s and 1s. Good. All right, and let's add 40. So show me what 40 looks like with 10s and 1s. 10, 20, 30, 40. Show me on your desk. Okay, now when we put these two groups together, we have the plus sign there. We're going to count the 10s first, then the 1. Everybody touch and count with me. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 91. So when we add 51 plus 40, we can get 91. Stop for a minute and try it on your 100 chart just to practice. Find 51. Put your finger on it. Now, jump down 4 times because 40 is really 4 10s. So ready? 10, 20, 30, 40. What did you land on? 91. Write it on your paper for number 4. 51 plus 40 equals 91. Okay, so now you know how to use both weights. You know how to use your 10s and 1s. You know how to use your 100 chart. When you open up to the inside, you are going to be doing number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 by yourself.
So all of them?
So, yep, well, not number 11 at the bottom, but yes. You can use your 100 chart if you want. Start on the first number and jump down the right number of 10s. You can use your 10s and 1s if you want. Or maybe you're getting good at just counting this in your head. But look, for each problem, you have to write the number down because they give you a number and then they give you 10 sticks. Right below it, you're not going to do 14 plus 2 10 sticks. You're going to do 14 plus 20. Then you're going to write the answer for me. So if you want to use your 10s and 1s, that's fine. If you want to use your 100 chart, that's fine. or if you've gotten good at thinking it in your head, that's fine too. But you need to write down the problem and then the answer, okay? Work on your own. If you have a question, raise a hand and I will go over it with you.